I'm Loughran, Chief Operating Officer for Concord Hospitality. Well, the industry has changed significantly over the last 10 years, and how we drive and enhance owner relationships and our relationships with our partners has also significantly changed. From an industry standpoint, we have seen massive shifts in data transparency, how we manage food and beverage outlets, and the transparency and the rate of speed at which we communicate information to owners. All of that is areas that we've had to really focus on and changed and continue to develop. For instance, we continue to build out food and beverage resources to support today's world of active rooftop bars, speakeasies, extensive banquet and catering operations. These are all critical components of success for us in the industry. When it comes to management partnerships, clearly having good ability to speak one-on-one with our partners, but also to give them the information that they need in the timely fashion that they need to be successful. Fast month-end reports, easy access to current performance, all of these things are really important, and we want to put tools and resources in front of our owners.
I'm Paul Novak, partner with Whitman Peterson. The industry has changed dramatically. I've been in this business now for 56 years and have watched all of the different cycles and changes. I think probably one of the biggest changes has been the proliferation of multiple brands within the major brand segments and market segments. Very impressive on how the brands have been able to come up with different opportunities for developers and operators to penetrate specific targeted segments. But that also brings quite a challenge in trying to decide which brand is the most appropriate for the customer in a particular location.
We are very proud of Concord's we're going on our 42nd year of operating in the hotel management space. It's been a tremendous run for us. As we look at our future, we continue to think about how do we change and progress in the industry. And there's a couple areas that we're really focused on. One, growing food and beverage resources, supporting today's demand, creating great customer experience. The second is, about 18 months ago, we established an AI task force team. This has elevated the entire company from an AI standpoint, and we see it broadly being used across the organization, and that continues to change how we're doing business every day. We know we must be the employer of preference in the markets, so we continue to refine and hone our benefits and our compensation package, so we are attracting the best talent in the industry. And interestingly, we have put great effort into our systems and technology. We feel we have an incredible accounting platform, and we continue to invest and provide resources into that accounting space.
The collaboration between investor and developer/operator is so critical. And that's the relationship that we have with Concord Hospitality. And I think the best way to describe the value of that collaboration is that we have a motto, a saying at Whitman Peterson, that we are partners for life. And we really mean that. When you consider your partnership as something of a long-term, stable relationship, it creates tremendous opportunities for complete collaboration on all aspects of the industry, focusing on the right product for the market, being in agreement on design, costs, financing, all of the things that go into making a project very, very successful, and we've had great success in that collaboration with Concord.
As we look forward and think about innovation that's appropriate for the industry, we think deeply about the labor situation we're managing. And one of the areas that we're investing significantly in is how we manage labor, how we look at it, how we're balancing real time for our folks, scheduling, labor forecasting. We know that the fundamentals of business, the best forecasting from top line into scheduling labor is the most critical component for us to be successful. Another piece is we're really sharpening our tools around procurement. We've made some significant procurement changes. We know the companies that are not investing time and resource into saving owners money and delivering on that middle of the page are probably not going to be here in 5 years from now. So that's critically important for us. Last, I would say we are all ears and eyes open looking at new technologies out there, from the food and beverage tech department into our revenue management AI systems, and even some of the robotic situation. There's some fantastic robots operating in vacuuming and guest service delivery, but also some robotic features in the kitchens. And so we're going to keep our eye on those technologies and see if we can continue to tinker with those to make us more efficient and stronger for the future.
Over the next few years, I'm very excited about the future of the hotel industry. We, as an industry, tend to cycle. We have peaks and valleys that occur over periods of time. And one of the things I'm so excited about is the use of AI appropriately utilized to help lower investment costs, better train labor, make decision-making much easier. And with that, the opportunity over the next few years, particularly with supply at record low levels, I am very optimistic that within the next 3 years, the industry is going to be back at one of its peak periods.